If your account receives a performance notification, it means Amazon has detected violations of one or more of Amazon's selling policies, applicable law, or the Seller Code of Conduct. Depending on the severity of the violation, Amazon may remove your listings or deactivate your account. It's important to address any violations immediately to maintain your selling privileges in the Amazon store. Additionally, ensure that your business partners, employees, and any third-party partners you work with understand and follow these policies. To review all your performance notifications by date, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Performance and select Performance Notifications. Each notification includes the action taken on your account and the information needed to appeal or dispute that action. To address a policy violation, open the main menu in Seller Central, hover over Performance, and select Account Health. From the Account Health dashboard, select the name of the policy issue that has been violated from the Policy Compliance section. You'll see a list of each violation, the date, affected ASINs, Amazon's actions, and next steps. To review the violated policy, select the link under the Reason column. To take action on a violation, click the Submit Appeal button under the Next Steps column. If you understand the violation, take the necessary steps to correct the issue. For example, if your product detail page doesn't comply with Amazon's policies, update the listing to meet requirements. Select I understand the policy and acknowledge the violation, and input the primary reasons for the root cause or the violation, as well as all actions you've taken to correct the issue. If you believe the notification was sent in error, select I understand the policy and have evidence or documentation to submit for review to confirm my compliance with the policy. Select the appropriate fields that accurately describe the error and upload any evidence or documentation that demonstrates that your account complies with Amazon's Customer Product Reviews policies and Seller Code of Conduct. If your appeal is successful, your listing will be reactivated. We'll contact you via email with our decision and let you know if we require more information. This might be a letter of authorization, invoices, or additional compliance documents. Return to the Performance Notifications page at any time to reference your appeal status and any correspondence between you and Amazon. If the violation led to deactivation of your account, select Reactivate your account on the Account Health page and follow the provided instructions. Note that this information does not constitute legal advice. For additional information about Customer Product Reviews policies, visit the Customer Product Reviews Policies help page in Seller Central.